Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to add shape divider in container in Elementor in WordPress. Right, as you can see, I am into the Elementor. Here I am editing one of my web page of my website using Elementor, and to create a new container there is a plus icon getting displayed in middle of the screen. I am going to click on it, and here it is asking me about the layout. So I have selected the flex box, and in the structure I have selected the one direction column. Now we can edit the container by clicking on edit container button just above the container. So I have clicked on it, and here in the layout setting I am going to increase the height of the container, and going to the style settings. Here in the background I am going to add a background image. So I have selected normal, and in background type I have selected classic, and in the image I am going to select choose image and add any image from the media library. For example, I have selected this image. You can also upload any image file from your system using upload files button. So I have selected this and clicked on select. Now display size I am setting to cover, and in the position I am setting it to custom and decrease Y position so that my image goes above. Okay, now coming to the shape divider settings in the style settings itself, right? I have clicked on shape divider, and here we can either add a shape divider in top or bottom, right? So we are in the top settings right now, and here we can simply select any of the shape divider. As you can see, the shape divider is added, right? You can also change the color of the shape divider, or you can increase or decrease the height of the shape divider itself using the height option and width option. You can make the changes of the width of the shape divider, right? You can also flip using the turn on and turn off button, and you can also select the bring to front or bring to back, whatever. You can also select the color itself. For example, let me change the color to light bluish shade from the color palette. Okay, so now going into the bottom settings of the shape divider, and select the bottom drops I have selected, and here I'm going to change the color to like yellow from color palette. I have selected yellow color, and we can also increase or decrease the height of the shape divider from here, the height settings option, or we can also flip or can invert, right? So whatever we want, we can simply make changes. So this is how you can add shape divider in a container in Elementor and WordPress. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about Elementor, then I have added my blog link in video description. You can simply visit my blog and read articles related to Elementor with video tutorials. And if you are interested in learning digital marketing in detail, then also I have added my website link in video description. You can simply visit my website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.